Rule number 2 is Pennsylvania has this unique provision when it comes to this type of coverage that I have seen, I think, maybe one other state in the entire United States of America. And it's called stacking. What the heck is stacking? Stacking means that you multiply the amount of coverage you bought by the number of cars you have on the policy. So, if I buy $50,000 in under and uninsured motorist coverage, which is 100 per person, I have 4 cars on my policy, how much under and uninsured motorist coverage do I have per person? $200,000. You go from $50,000 to $200,000. Remember that declaration sheet I showed you earlier where the person had $250,000 in liability insurance? What do they have? $1 million. And it's not expensive. This is what they don't tell you. There are certain coverages that are the most expensive part of you know what your most expensive coverages are? Liability and actually your property damage. Property damage coverage is very expensive because at the end of the day, more accidents involve only property damage than they do bodily injury. So if you look at your premiums, you're going to see that a large part of it goes to liability and also to property damage. Now, so if you buy stacked coverage, that's tremendously protective, right? You know, imagine that other policy you have $1 million. $1 million in coverage is going to cover most of the really bad things that can happen to you. Now, obviously it's not going to be enough if someone passes away because of an accident or they're a paraplegic. But you know, the lion's share of even pretty catastrophic injuries, $1 million at least will let you know, and I always like to use the words, that I'll be okay. That I'll be able to pay my mortgage and my utilities. That I'll have some money there to help the kids with college. That at least will be there. Will it be perfect? No. But at least you can stay in your house and educate your kids and have some money there to at least protect you once you get to retirement age.